Available memory seats, if equipped, help save the preferred driving position of two drivers and help you to put your seat back to where you want it after it's been moved. If you can see a set of buttons near or above the left side driver armrest marked Set, 1, and 2, your vehicle is equipped with memory seats. To set your preferred seating position, first make sure your vehicle is either turned on or in accessory mode while in park. Adjust the seat height, recline angle, and reach as you prefer to make sure you are comfortable and can maintain a safe position. If equipped, your vehicle's power steering column, head-up display, and power side mirror positions will also be saved. Once in the right position, press and release the Set button. You will hear a beep. Immediately hold memory button 1 or 2 until you hear 2 beeps. If you don't hear 2 beeps after selecting a memory button, try the button sequence again. To return to your saved position at any time using the buttons, hold your assigned memory button down until the memory seat returns to your saved position. If you have 2 key fobs for your vehicle, each of the key fobs is automatically registered to memory position 1 or memory position 2. Set your position using the same sequence as before. Press and release Set, then immediately select a memory button for your preferred position. When enabled, your memory seat and other memory features will return to your position whenever your key fob enters the vehicle and the vehicle is turned on. Some vehicles are also equipped with an automated memory recall sequence. To know if your vehicle has this feature, check the settings menu of your center display. With this function enabled, you can set an entry and an exit position. This will automatically return your seat to your preferred driving position when your key fob is inside the vehicle and the vehicle turns on, and the preferred departure position when the vehicle is turned from on to off. To set the exit position, adjust your memory seat to a position that is easy for you to enter and exit the vehicle. Then press and release Set, and immediately press and hold Exit until you hear 2 beeps. You can only set 1 exit position per vehicle. If you need to stop the seat from moving for any reason during an automated position recall, press the Set button or any power seat control. If you need to cancel movement during a manual recall, let go of the memory button during movement. Turning your vehicle off will also cancel all movement. Since your memory seat position is linked to your key fob, make sure you only travel with 1 key fob in the car at a time. Only adjust your memory seat, power steering column, head-up display, and power side mirrors while in park. If your memory seat fails to move or stops moving suddenly, check for any obstructions blocking the seat. Save time adjusting and get in the right position for driving with memory seats.